Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel Learning Lane, your quick stop for learning geography made simple. Today we're diving into something that affects your maps, GPS, and even Google Earth. It's latitude and longitude. Let's get started. What is latitude and longitude? Latitude and longitude are part of the geographic coordinate system. It's how we pinpoint any location on Earth using two numbers. Think of the Earth like a big ball, wrapped in an invisible grid. Latitude lines run horizontally like rungs on a ladder. Longitude lines run vertically from top to bottom, where these lines intersect. That's your exact location. Let's see about latitude. Latitude measures how far north or south a place is from the equator. The equator is at 0° latitude, right in the middle of the Earth. The North Pole is at 90° north, and the South Pole is at 90° south. These lines are also called parallels because they never touch. For example, Delhi, India, about 28° north latitude. Cape Town, South Africa, about 34° south latitude. Now let's see about longitude. Longitude tells us how far east or west a place is from the prime meridian. The prime meridian is at 0° longitude and it passes through Greenwich, England. From there we go up to 180° east or 180° west. Unlike latitude, longitude lines, also called meridians, meet at the poles. For example, New York City about 74° west longitude, Tokyo, Japan about 140° east longitude. Coordinates in action. When you combine latitude and longitude, you get coordinates. For example, the Eiffel Tower is at 48.8584° north to 2.2945° east. The Statue of Liberty is at 40.6892° north to 74.0445° west. Every point on Earth has its own unique set of coordinates. Now let's see some uses or fun facts of longitude and latitude. Some cool facts. GPS satellites use latitude and longitude to give you directions. Airplanes and ships rely on coordinates to navigate. Even your smartphone uses them to tag your photos with location. And that's how latitude and longitude help us navigate our world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cool geography content, and don't forget to comment below. What location should we find the coordinates for next? See you next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel Learning Lane for more bite-sized learning every week.